When I first started using Excel, I was doing everything the long way, like copy-pasting with the mouse, formatting one cell at a time, scrolling endlessly. It just felt painfully slow and frustrating, but then I discovered something that changed everything: keyboard shortcuts. Now, I move 5 times faster in Excel than I did back then. And today I am going to teach you the exact shortcuts I use every single day that save me hours every week. Once you learn these, you'll never go back to using Excel the slow way again. Now there are literally hundreds of Excel shortcuts out there, but you don't need to know all of them. Just 5 or 10 that you actually use will save you a ton of time and make Excel feel like butter. Here are some of my absolute favorite time-saving shortcuts. No. 1 is CTRL plus arrow keys. Want to jump to the edge of your data in a split second? Just hold Ctrl and press any arrow key and you'll fly to the end instantly. No. 2 is CTRL plus Shift plus L. Turn on filters instantly without clicking on the ribbon. Just press CTRL plus Shift plus L and boom, ready to filter your table. No. 3 is CTRL plus T. This one's a game changer. It turns your data into a proper Excel table. It instantly adds structure, filters, and an auto-updating range. Seriously, you'll wonder how you lived without it. Next up is one of my absolute favorites: Alt plus E plus S plus V. Here's a scenario you've all been in. You have a formula in one cell and you want to copy only the results to another cell. Normally you'd have to recopy the whole thing, but with this shortcut, you can paste special values. No more broken formulas, just clean values copied where you want them. Last but not least is Alt plus H plus O plus I. This one's a lifesaver when you're done entering data. It automatically fits the column width so you don't have to manually do it. Now I use these shortcuts so often they're basically in my muscle memory now. The point is not to learn 100 shortcuts, but just 5 to 10 that you actually use can save you hours and make Excel feel buttery smooth. So next time you're reaching for the mouse, pause, press a shortcut instead, and watch your speed skyrocket. If you want even more tips on mastering Microsoft Excel, check out this playlist right here. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on any of my data-driven business tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.